Oh, hey, Grandma. Yes. Good afternoon. Nice to meet you. I'm Teacher Abby. You can call me Abby. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Chin.
Chin. Okay, Chin. Oh, thank you so much for coming, ma'am. I'm so happy to meet you. Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
Dalian. Dalian, China. Oh, okay. Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's continue with our book. Okay. So Grandma, ma'am, just call me Abby. Okay, Abby. So let's start our class. Okay. Here is your lesson. Okay. This is Acadsoc Spoken English for Beginners. This is your pen. This is lesson 47. How many days do you take off for New Year's Day? Okay. Well, ma'am, do you like New Year?
Mm, mm, Sweet,
Yes.
sweetie.
Yes. Okay. New Year's Day is a holiday. When is New Year? When is New Year?
Mm, Okay.
Mhm.
Mm,
When?
yeah.
Mhm.
Uh,
Yes, when. So when you hear the question when it's 什么时候? When is New Year? Yes.
December. December. What?
Yes. It's
December.
okay.
30.
Mm.
30.
Oh,
December
okay.
30.
Okay, yes, that's right. Okay. Well, we in this lesson you will learn. Okay, this sounds k and g. Okay, I will write it here. You will learn this sound k k k. Yes, yes, and you will also learn this sound g g g. Yes. Okay. Very good. So, well, let's practice more. Okay. So, in this lesson, you have five parts. Now, part one, sound. Two, dialogue. Three, practice. Four, review. Five, knowledge expansion. Okay. So, now let's listen to the sound. Yes, very good. Okay. Example.
Where are my car keys? Where are my car keys?
Okay, can you say it?
Where, where are my car keys?
Yes, yes, perfect. Okay, very good. Okay, and number two.
G.
G.
G,
Yes, very good. Another.
G.
G.
g,
Yes, perfect. Okay, let's listen.
Give me the bag. Give me the bag.
Okay.
Give me the bag.
Yes, okay, one more time. Give me the bag.
Give, give me the bag.
Yes, okay. Bag. Okay, very good. Okay. Wow, perfect. Okay, good job. Okay. So remember these two words. Say car. Car.
Car,
Yes.
car,
Yes. Keys. Keys.
key,
Yes.
key,
Yes. Give. Give.
g, 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 give,
Yes, 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 give. And then we also say bag. Bag.
bag.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay. Now let's see the next page. Okay, so here we're going to compare, okay, k and g. Let's listen again. Xing ting, yes.
G,
G,
g.
g, yes. Okay. Example,
I have to go back to work. I have to go back to work.
okay. So can you say it? It's
I have to go back to work.
yes, yes, perfect. Okay, I have to go back to work, and
我必须回去工作。
我必须回去工作. That's how we say it in Chinese. Oh, excuse me, Ma'am Chin. Can I call you Grandma? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. What was your job? Yeah. What was your job? Yes.
Tissue
Huh?
in
Teacher.
home.
At home.
In home.
In home. I see. Housewife. 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 Housewife? Are you housewife?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. My mother. My mom is a
你是
housewife.
家庭主妇吗？
Yes, my mom, she's a housewife too. Okay. My dad is an engineer. My dad is engineer. Yes, my mom is housewife. So okay, and I am teacher. Okay, so that's it.